In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Behance, whether it's inside your project descriptions, text blocks, or captions. This is a valuable skill to enhance your Behance projects by linking viewers to your personal website, social media profiles, or any other relevant pages. Let's dive into the details of how you can seamlessly incorporate these links across various areas of your profile and projects. First, let's start inside a project on the Behance website. The initial step is to log into your Behance account. Once you're on the platform, navigate to the specific project where you want to add the hyperlink. Simply open the project and click on the Edit button. From here, you have the option to either add a new text block or click inside an existing one to make changes. Now, highlight the text that you wish to transform into a link. On the text toolbar that appears, you should see a link icon that looks like a small chain or a connector. Click this icon and you'll be prompted to paste your desired URL. This could be your website, LinkedIn profile, or even your YouTube channel. Once you've entered the URL, click Apply or Save to ensure the link is active within the text. This not only enriches your project, but also guides your audience to further engage with your work. Moving on to adding hyperlinks in a project description or caption, Behance has made this process remarkably straightforward. While you're still in the editing mode of your project, you can simply paste a full link directly into the description or caption field, such as https://mywebsite.com. Upon doing so, Behance automatically converts this URL into a clickable hyperlink without any additional steps. This feature is particularly useful for those who want to provide additional context or resources without breaking the flow of attention from the project itself. Lastly, let's discuss how you can include a hyperlink in your profile bio. Begin by heading to your profile settings. Once there, locate the section labeled About Me or Bio. This area is a fantastic place to showcase your most important links, helping visitors quickly find more information about you or your work. Just paste your link here, and Behance takes care of the rest, making sure it turns into a clickable link visible to all who visit your profile. Remember to save any changes before leaving this section to ensure everything is correctly updated. These simple steps will enable you to effectively integrate hyperlinks throughout your Behance profile and projects, making it a more dynamic and interactive experience for your viewers. Embedding links this way not only boosts visitor engagement, but also provides quick access to other platforms where your work and professional information are available. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your Behance presence.